Hi, my name is Alfredo Franco. I'm a Senior Director in the Intelligent Audio Group at Harman. We're very pleased to be here at Gamescom this year, and I'm so happy to be here to introduce you to the Quantum 910, which is the flagship product in our wireless proposition of products. Here we have the Quantum 910. It's a super cool wireless headphone with head tracking. It has all of our latest algorithms for 3D audio rendering. It has 2.5 gigahertz connection, low latency, plus Bluetooth at the same time. You can play at a reasonable distance from your console without any glitches or interruption while maintaining very low latency. One of the coolest features here is that, as you remember on the Quantum One, you have to have the Quantum engine running to do the 3D audio virtualization. But here, we have a implementation of the algorithms that is able to do 3D audio rendering on board, which means you can connect to your PlayStation and then enjoy virtualized 3D audio with head tracking. Of course, you can turn the head tracking on and off depending on your preferences, but this opens the possibility of connecting to your Xbox, PlayStation, and enjoy the same level of 3D audio rendering. Before moving on with the technical details of the product, I want to just show you some of the details on the design. As you can see, the plastic is translucent, so you have all these RGB LEDs that can be configured. But if you turn off the LEDs, you still have this dark surface. It looks translucent, but you cannot see the LED guides, which, if you're outside on the street, you still can use it and look, not too crazy, let's say. Then we have the very comfortable hinges here. They rotate, adapt to your head basically. They are light for a product that has a big battery. It's under 450 grams. Very comfortable cushion here. So most of the weight of the headphone is distributed across this cushion and the foam here. It has a good clamping force. We made it in such a way that the headphone stays in your head, but without too much pressure, because we know you're going to be using this for 8-9 hours. We have a retractable mic boom. It's pretty handy if let's say, you use your headphone for more than gaming, like you make phone calls, business meetings maybe. So you just flip the boom and mute. One of the most impressive technical features in this device is the battery life. We have 39 hours on one charge. And you have to consider that we are using a 2.4 gigahertz radio, plus Bluetooth, plus the LEDs, plus all the signal processing done on board. It's fairly amazing. So one of the features that we inherited from the Quantum One is the calibration mic. With this microphone, we are able to measure the interaction between the ear cup and your ear. So we're basically taking a small snapshot of how the system works in relation to your anatomy. With that measurement, we are able to then make a compensation filter. Basically, it's a very advanced EQ that allows the 3D audio algorithms to perform better than they would normally. One thing I would like to discuss quickly is the drivers. So it's a 50mm driver. The frequency response is a lot more consistent. And the reason why we're doing this is to have precise 3D audio rendering, you need a consistent response on the headphones. So this means that regardless of the size of your head or ear dimensions, the frequency response is constant, which allows us then to do a lot better 3D rendering than most of our competitors. So I know some of you might be worrying about, oh my God, it uses a dongle. What am I going to do because my Mac just has USB-C? So we put a USB-C dongle and a USB-A adapter. So regardless of what computer you're using, you can free up your USB-A or USB-C port. So it doesn't matter what computer you have. The Quantum 910 is going to be available end of September 2022 at a retail price of $249.